In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a PayPal transfer from your bank account. Now, this process can be a little bit complicated and at times a little bit irritating, so please watch this video because unfortunately there is no built-in ways to do this, but there are a few workarounds that we can go ahead and attempt. So what you guys can do in this situation is wait for the transfer to complete. So the transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days to complete depending on your bank account. And once the funds are over on your bank account, basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and use that same bank account and basically transfer the money back over to PayPal. So basically you want to go ahead and press over here where it says menu, then you want to select on wallet just like so, and basically you want to add your bank account over here, and then with your bank account you can add money over to your PayPal balance in case you accidentally transferred like money from PayPal over to your bank account and stuff like that, and you want to return it back over to your PayPal balance. So I know this process can be a little bit tricky, but another thing that you guys could do is contact your bank account. So if the transfer is still pending, which typically occurs if you did send the payment in the same day, contact your bank account immediately to inquire if they can stop or reverse the transaction, because some bank accounts will be able to help you out in the situation, and it's always a good idea to contact your bank account first. But keep in mind, some banks may not be able to intervene depending on their policies, but it is always a good practice to go ahead and ask your bank account. Also, it's always a good idea to check for errors. So if the transfer fails due to incorrect bank details or other issues, the funds will automatically return to your bank account. Another thing that you guys could do is contact PayPal customer support. So if you suspect that something shady is going on with your account, if you suspect that maybe someone's hacked into your account, it is always a good idea to go ahead and contact the PayPal customer support. So you want to go ahead and go to the menu button, then you want to select on a help center just like so, and then from there you want to go ahead and get assistance and see if you're able to get some help. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.